Hey there, Skillful Squad. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, your guide to mastering all things tech and digital. Today we're diving into a topic that's becoming increasingly popular, embedding Facebook Live on your Squarespace website. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or simply looking to engage your audience, embedding Facebook Live can be a game changer. Join us as we unveil the steps to seamlessly integrate your live event onto your Squarespace site. But before we begin, let's explore why embedding Facebook Live on Squarespace is a smart move. Embedding Facebook Live on your Squarespace website brings your live content directly to your audience's fingertips. It enhances your website's interactivity, allows you to repurpose and showcase your live events, and gives your visitors a reason to stay engaged. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process and make your website even more vibrant. Step 1. Create your Facebook Live event. To kick things off, start by adding an event on Facebook. Click the plus sign, fill in your event title, save the date, and create an intriguing introduction. This is what your audience will see, so save the tone and expectations just right. Step 2. Customize your event details. Next, spice up your event by adding relevant images, locations, and other details. Customize it to match your event's theme or niche, whether it's fitness, food, or anything else, and if you want, you can set it to share automatically. Step 3. Save and publish your event. Once everything says save and publish your Facebook Live event, head over to the event section and there you have it. Your event is ready to go live, complete with all the descriptions you've provided. Step 4. Configure submission link. Now, let's configure the submission link. Head back to the form, click edit and then storage. You will see where the submissions are sent. Change it to your preferred email or even connect it to Google Drive. Just choose what suits you best and click apply. Step 5. Embed Facebook Live on Squarespace. Now, let's say your event has happened and you have the video accessible. Delete the form and text box, then click insert and select the embed icon. Open a new tab, go to your Facebook page with the video. Click the three dots and select embed code. Copy the code, head back to Squarespace, paste it, and click apply and save. After a quick process, you've successfully embedded Facebook Live on your Squarespace website. And there you have it, Skillful Squad. You've just learned how to seamlessly embed your Facebook Live event onto your Squarespace website. Now, your audience can enjoy your live content without ever leaving your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Skillful Solutions for more tech-savvy insights. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with embedding live events, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep engaging and keep evolving.